Hey everyone, it's Drea So Cheek and welcome to my channel. If you're not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and join the family. I do tutorials and give entrepreneurship tips. Today I'm showing you how I place the vinyl on this pleated skirt. If you would like a more detailed video, please let me know in the comments. But other than that, I am going to let you guys go. I hope you have a good day and enjoy.
I am on my own now. I am in control now. I need you to go now. I can fix my own crown. Back up on my bullshit. Back up on the thing. Don't dealing with you. Don't know how to deal with me. I'm fucking with you. Don't know how to love me. I'm dealing with you. So I'm back. Yeah, bitch. Back on my bully. Back on my dish. You in the studio. Back on tequila, back on the strippers, all the groupie hoes. This could get ugly, I'm petty. I want you bad out of smoke. I'm coming crazy, baby, baby. One thing that you should know, little baby, back, yeah. Act like you a stranger, yeah. Memory loss, I play it like that. Call your boys, I'm gang about that. Faded up to 42 quarters, too important. Blue dream inside the roll up, hold up. Watch me go up, leave you so stuck. I'm back and